Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Rashmi and I'm here to show you recipes that are both healthy and tasty for your little ones. Today we're going to make cucumber pancake. So come along and let's see how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. So this recipe is a very straightforward, versatile recipe. I'm going to take half a cup of rice flour, and to that I'm going to add a quarter cup of chickpea flour besan. Now this is a very good source of protein and fiber. I have a quarter cup of cucumber which has been grated and squeezed out all the water. There will be water content in it, but it's fine because it's going to just help it put it together. I've got a quarter cup of chopped or rather grated potatoes, which I'm going to add to this. And now comes the best part. You can sneak in whatever vegetables you want. I've got grated cabbage here, but if you want to add spinach, you can do that. And I have some coriander leaves, which are finely chopped. In goes 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this. And now I have Kissan Manchurian Sauce. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons. I haven't put in any pepper or spices simply because this contains the soy sauce, the aromatic spices and everything that I need. So it's, in that sense, extremely convenient and very versatile because kids in general enjoy Chinese. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons, and it's also going to help this bind. And now I'm going to mix this really well. See, you don't have to put water or anything simply because you've got enough of that in all the ingredients, and it's going to bind well now. So I've given this a good mix and all the ingredients have been bound together. If you do find it a little tough or thick, you can add a little water, but in general you wouldn't need to. I'm going to turn the burner on now and put in a little bit of oil. And all you need to now do is take a spoonful or a scoop full of the batter, put it onto the pan, and with a spatula just press it down and let it cook for about 5 minutes on each side. This is one of those recipes which allows you to do other things while you're getting your child's tiffin ready. Once it's nicely browned on one side, you can just flip it over and let it cook. So the pancake's ready. I'm going to turn the burner off now and we're going to pack it in the tiffin. 2 is a good number. It's got all the vegetables and the nutrition that you want to give your child. And for sides, we have some peanuts, again a great source of protein, and we have some watermelon as dessert. This is the right combination of the crunch and the fiber and the nutrition and everything going into the tiffin box. So our tiffin is ready to go into the school bag. I hope you like this recipe. For more of these, subscribe to India Food Network, share your feedback in comments, and I'll be back to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.